Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your American Airlines app not working. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to force close your application and reopen it. And that should go ahead and fix couple of bugs. However, if that still doesn't fix it, your settings might also be interfering with the applications. Here are a couple of settings that you will need to reset. Open your settings, go down to general and scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and reset all settings and reset network settings. When you reset all settings, your general settings gets reset, and when you reset network setting, that simply resets your internet settings, as you already know. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.